Hello everybody, I'm the founder of Trading Paradise and today I'm recording a video for you about ICP. Why? Because in my opinion, it's a really interesting crypto that formed a really beautiful bottom, and I think it's worth to share a deep analysis based on what I think, based on the fact on the chart. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but I hope you enjoy the content. So, we are in the weekly chart on Coinbase. What we do? We start to mark the key levels as always. So, the first key level that we have here is 355. Because, again, here we bounced once, twice, we shoot up and we got 125%. Then again here a small bounce, 27%. Again here we tried to hold the support, we lost it, and we went in this, let's say, no trading zone, a manipulation zone. And then we broke above, we confirmed this, let's say, a support, even we didn't touch this, and we shoot up. So then another key level, it's clearly 743. Why? Because again, long wick, we close below, wick, we close below, wick, rejection, 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 close above, try to hold the support, we broke below, and again we test again as the resistance, and we went down to our support level, 52% drop. Again here, rejected, it went down 50% again. So I think these two levels are key levels, but now we clearly left this range because the price is, after this huge break, we in the following 112 days we are clearly in this new range. But if this is our low range, okay, what is our up range? And I think that our up range is clearly this level, 22.47. Why? For the same reason. It's not rocket science. We bounced here, we lost this level, resistance, we went down, we retested as resistance, got rejected, and we dropped below. Okay? So I think we have now our key levels. So this was our low range, this was our up range for about 574 days. Then we broke this up range, and this is our now is our low range, and this is our new up range. So we are trading now in this range. What we have to check now? Our basic indicators, and we can see that we have a huge bearish divergence here, and a remind to everybody that we have a fantastic open source and free trading indicator that you can find on TradingView that tells you all the divergences. And here we had massive bearish divergences. Then what we're going to check our stochastic RSI. Why? Because for bullish price action we want a cross of the blue line above the red line and the two lines that goes above the 20 level. See, it happens here and we went up. Now it's really interesting to see that we had again a cross up. It happened not below 20, so it's less powerful, so we have to watch out, but this is clearly a cross above. And the cross above is a bullish sign. So we have a bullish sign here and a very bearish sign here, because the bearish divergence is on the weekly chart is really powerful. Then what we also see, we see a huge, we want to call it fair value gap, and that never got filled. And is this area. A fair value gap, for who doesn't know it, is when we have a very strong candle that has a really huge volume we have very important gaps, and the gaps start from the wick of the previous candle and reach the wick of the next level of the impulsive candle. So this is all a fair value gap that it was never really touched, because if we go into zoom here, you see never got touched, and this is pretty unusual also for another reason, but we have to switch on a lower time frame. Let's go in the daily time frame. We had this break above, and now we are trending higher. We can mark a trend line here where the price bounced here, here, here. Then we lost this trend line, and we had a very important buying pressure, because usually when this happens, I don't know guys, but usually when this happens and got rejected here, as it got rejected once, usually the price go in this area and fill the gap. But this didn't happen, so it means that this is an asset where there is a huge buy pressure, and now the price is trending higher and is forming another bullish pattern, which is called a bull flag. So what is a bull flag? A bull flag is when we have a very strong impulsive move to the upside, and then we have the price that is bouncing between a support and resistance. But it's important that we call this our support line, let's say, or our bull flag, and this is our resistance line, where we have to have at least 3 touches. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3. So respected. So this is a textbook bull flag, and the price is, since it's in this zone, we shouldn't trade. So we should patiently wait what's going to happen. But let's assume that the bull flag is playing out. So we break above, let's say we hold this line of support, we retest it, and we shoot up. What is our target? The target is measured by drawing this pole that starts from the bottom to the top of this impulsive move. Let's say we break out here, let's say tomorrow, as just in for instance, as a poor example. Our price target by pure technical analysis would be $33, which is a move of 86%, pretty huge. And yeah, absolutely, this is in play, and would be breaking above the $22.47 level, which is a very important zone that, in my opinion, broke this level. There is this could be a huge move to the upside for ICP, but at the same time I'm concerned about this, that this gap was never touched, that this super important support zone of 743, resistance that we never touch, a support never been touched. Most of the time fair value gaps are also filled in the middle. That doesn't really, it's not really important, that it's not really happening all the time. Let's say that they got filled completely. So let's imagine that this is gonna be filled in the middle. Okay, so it would be around here at $713. That is not really far away from our 742. Okay, so but you know, since we are here, we shouldn't worry about it. But if we don't break above and we go here, we break below here, and then we break again below this trend line. In this case, it's likely that we're going to revisit here. But if we break the bull flag to the upside and we confirm it as support, I'm sure we're gonna trend higher. So at the moment, I think there is no trading zone, but there are huge possibilities, in my opinion, for ICP. And yeah, let's go into check now our trading indicator about the momentum. Who doesn't know, this is another free trade indicator that we developed and is about telling you what's the momentum in the market. When it's red, it's bearish. When it's shift from red to dark red, means the bearish momentum could be over. Then when we had the shift from dark red to dark green or light green, means that the momentum is again bullish. So we have a shift. So just with this free trading indicator we developed, we had a move of 414%. We never had a red between this level and here. So check this out on our page. But anyway, now bullish momentum could be over, bearish momentum, but not light red. So again bullish, again dark red. Now we are in a super bullish, in the most bullish momentum. So this could help us to our bullish scenario play out. So the bull flag plays out. And let's see also easy trade, our main indicator for buy and sell opportunities. As we see here, we had a nice buy confirmation. I remember, guys, what is a buy confirmation? A buy confirmation is when we have at least one candle of positive volume that close above the blue line that starts from the opening price of the bullish candle. One candle if we are in 1 day on higher time frame. If you are in lower time frame, maybe also two, especially if you are in 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on. And again, we had here in this zone another buy signal, okay, here a sell signal, again here another buy signal. Here not confirmed. Why they are not confirmed, this sell signal? And this is confirmed because at least we have a candle that closed below the orange line. That, imagine there is orange line here, let's say the orange candle with negative volume. Here we never have a candle that closed below here with negative volume. So these orange candles, you just keep them, okay? So let's recap the situation with naked eye without charts. I wanted to check also another thing, our open source trading indicator. Another key level that it's now the level where we shoot up and we created this bull flag is also matching with our previous monthly low. So when this happens, this level is also key and needs to hold for a bullish scenario, because if we lose here, we lose the trend and we lose also previous monthly low. Trust me that this part of the chart, this fair value gap, will be filled 100%. So we should watch out what's going to happen in the chart. Maybe go on lower time frame, like 4 hours, for example. And what we see now live. See what happened? Rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is not really good for us. But yeah, we need to watch out what's going to happen. See how this pattern plays out. And the more the price stays here, is less good for us, because the flag would be not valid if the price, let's say, correct more than half of the pull. Okay, so we should see a break above this line in maximum, I think, 2 days, 3 days maximum. If we don't break above in 3 days, is less probable that the bull flag will play out. Not impossible, but less likely. Is always a matter of probabilities. Okay guys, this is all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know what you think about ICP. But this is the situation. We are trading in this range. Higher time frame is bullish. Higher time frame, because we had in the stochastic RSI, in the weekly chart, we had a cross up here, okay, which is really powerful, much powerful than a bearish divergence. And the daily chart looks good. The only thing that concerns me is this gap that never got filled, and we have this important resistance zone of $743 that never been retested as support. The only thing that maybe makes me positive about it that this level, you know, maybe got filled a little bit by this week, or also this local high here, like these local highs got somehow, but this is most important level. Okay, let's watch out closely, and see you soon.